Are you fascinated by the possibility of expanding life to other planets? Will we one day become a multiplanetary species? Is colonization on Mars possible? If you are someone who finds these questions intriguing, then this video is the perfect place for you. So sit back and stay with us until the end to discover if colonizing Mars is a feasible task or just another wild dream. Before we begin with our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified of all our brand new content. Without any further ado, let's get on to our topic. Colonizing Mars. This idea sounds very fascinating to many people, but is it really that easy to colonize a complete planet? Some of you will say, no way. But some of you, somewhere inside, believe in our scientists and the brilliance of Elon Musk. If you were to ask me if this is a feasible task or not, I would say it is possible, but it will not come easy. NASA landed a rover on Mars to find out if life exists on this red planet. For years, they found nothing. However, after many years, they found something that gave them hope that Mars is capable of supporting life. That something was water, but it was found in the form of ice. Earth can support life because of where it sits in our solar system. Planets that are situated too close or too far from the sun do not hold proper temperatures needed for life to flourish. Other planets, which are in a gaseous form, also have no chance for life because there's no solid surface to stand on, meaning whenever someone goes to those planets, they will move in until they reach the core. When we look at Mars, it is the only other planet that has a proper surface and the capability of holding life. Those scientists are planning to carry out life on Mars. They have considerable problems in front of them related to survival. The major problem is the absence of essential gases in Mars's atmosphere. You will be amazed to know that carbon dioxide is present in substantial amounts on Mars, but the quantity of oxygen is significantly less. Moreover, there is no atmospheric layer on Mars that we have on Earth, which works as a shield to protect us from the sun's screeching rays. The absence of an atmospheric layer will allow sun rays to pass through and destroy everything on the planet. The list does not end here. There is one more thing that hinders the establishment of life on Mars, and that thing is gravity. Gravity on this planet is an overwhelming 62% lower than what we experience on Earth. With the lower gravitational pull, movement becomes much different, and humans could face some health risks as their bones and muscles begin to weaken. However, when you know all the potential problems, it becomes easier to find solutions. Scientists are working day and night to find answers for all the issues they may face when trying to colonize Mars. They are now closer than ever to finding solutions for the challenge at hand. For example, to introduce essential gases on Mars, they have found a way to bombard comets present in space that are rich in gases like nitrogen, water, etc. They will have to identify the configuration of these comets and direct around 10,000 comets to the surface of Mars. After this event, we will have gases, water vapor, magnetic force, and an atmospheric layer formed on the planet's outer surface. Another major problem we had discussed earlier is the availability of water, but only in ice form. The comet bombardment will also resolve this problem. However, the ice will start melting and cause the planet to be covered in water, meaning human life will be unable to survive here. Do not worry, because scientists already have an idea for this issue as well. They say if we were to dig huge holes in the ground, the water will begin to accumulate there, eventually becoming oceans. Scientists are also expecting that once this structure is set up, the water cycle will begin on Mars as well, introducing rain and seasons to the planet. If you are wondering how gravity will be introduced on the planet, the answer lies in the magnitude force that the bombardment of comets will generate. Now, the main problem that we have in front of us is how to get breathable oxygen on Mars. Well, scientists have a hack for that too. Did you know that Earth did not have oxygen initially? The atmospheric layer was created much later, and it is possible to introduce oxygen in the same way on another planet. The answer for this is cyanobacteria. It is a bacterium that comprises chlorophyll and helps in the formation of oxygen. So, if we leave cyanobacteria in the water on Mars, it will keep multiplying, and the more these bacteria multiply, the more oxygen they will produce over time. Don't start dreaming about your new life on Mars just yet, because all these solutions are much easier said than done. It will take many, many years to make life on Mars a reality, but it is not impossible. So that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you let us know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned as we bring you more interesting content to your screens. See you in the next video. Until then, keep fantasizing about life on the red planet.